Lanamans Prep finished their quarter-final round unbeaten as they beat St Andrew Prep 5-1 to secure Group A honours in the GISA Canopy Alberga Cup quarter-final round. Tamari Richards scored 4 of Lanamans' 5 goals as they secured their semi-final spot.
We needed the win today and the boys really came out and executed. I mean, after missing out in the semi-finals last year, we are so happy to be in the semi-finals this year. We need some kind of redemption this time around after losing in the Enriquez final. The goal is to go all the way and win the Alberga Cup this year.
Saints Peter and Paul booked their semi-final place as the best second-placed team with a 5-0 win over Crystal House. Dejon Samuel scored in the 15th and 51st minutes for Saints Peter and Paul, while Shamar Miller also notched a brace as he scored in the 24th and 57th minutes. Jordan Burke got the other goal in the 30th minute. Saints Peter and Paul will now play Lanamans in the semis.
You know what them can do, and them put themselves in this situation. So more time you put yourself in certain situation, you have to try and get yourself out.
Also through to the last 4 are Emmanuel Christian Academy and Hillel Academy. They will meet each other in the semi-finals, which kick off on Wednesday at Liberty Academy starting at 11 a.m.